In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcut to Google Chrome homepage. This is a quick way to keep your favorite websites just one click away right on the new tab page. If you regularly visit the same sites for work, school, or personal browsing, creating a shortcut will save you time and keep things organized. We'll move through this step by step, and I'll add simple tips to help you avoid common mistakes. First, make sure you're on Chrome's homepage, also known as the new tab page. You'll see a grid of tiles beneath the search bar. Look for the tile that says Add Shortcut, usually marked with a plus icon. Go ahead and click it. This opens a small window where you can set up the shortcut. If you don't see the option right away, scroll slightly or hover near the tiles. It's part of the standard Chrome layout on desktop. Next, you'll be asked for two pieces of information, a name and a URL. In the name field, type something clear and recognizable. Think of how you want it to appear as a tile. Short and descriptive works best. In the URL field, paste or type the full web address of the site you want to open. It's a good idea to include the full address with HTTPS to avoid loading issues. If you're copying from your browser's address bar, make sure you're grabbing the main homepage link instead of a long temporary page address. Keeping it clean will make the shortcut more reliable. Now click Add to save your shortcut. Chrome will create a new tile on the homepage, and it may automatically show the website's icon, which makes it easy to spot. If the icon doesn't appear right away, don't worry, Chrome often updates it after the first visit. You can drag tiles around to reorder them if you want your most used sites up front. Finally, test your shortcut. Click the tile you just created and the site should open instantly. If it doesn't load as expected, return to the homepage, open the shortcut settings, and double check the URL spelling or formatting. You can always rename the shortcut later if you want a cleaner label. And that's it. You've added a shortcut to your Google Chrome homepage, making your browsing faster and more convenient. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the quicker access to your favorite sites.